Matt, you're not testing the ski.
Hard on that, like it's so slippery, eh?
Yeah.
No rudder, that's a lot of steering. But it does get tough. He put a runner on the bottom of
Kind of a runner.
a little runner on the bottom of that front ski that would grab on this kind of icy stuff.
That's 100% from what it was.
Yeah.
All right. Test number 2. Stiffen up the springs a little bit for that nose ski. Quite a bit happier with the performance overall.
That looks pretty good. Doesn't want to grab and turn.
No, that's fantastic.
Do you have enough spray paint to paint the most, you think?
I'm not painting them.
But do you think you've got enough?
I don't actually. Emmett says that my rims need to be painted so that they match my nose wheel rim. He's not wrong, but instead of painting those ones, I'm just gonna get that one dirty. That's the way you do it. It's called efficiency. All right, so this is sort of the last video and the ending of the last video of the whole Rebuild the Beaver After I Crash It on the River series. So the steering is hooked up. It seems to be working, as you just saw in the video of me on the skis, where you can see we're back to wheels now because we are getting 10 degrees of weather tomorrow, 10 degrees Celsius that is, which is 45 Fahrenheit?
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that. So yeah, all the snow is going to be gone very soon, and it's slush now, so there's no more ski flying. We're going to be back on wheels next time I fly, pretty sure, unless we get another snowstorm, which isn't out of the realm of possibilities. So the final fix for the nose ski, let's see, can you see? I hope you can see. You can see this rubber bumper. That rubber bumper allows the nose ski to go so far and then stop. And it does on the other side, the other way. And then that doesn't give me full rudder throw. I'm just a little bit shy. But then the springs, when I push a little bit harder, I don't know if you can see, we'll see. It compresses that spring just a little bit and gives me the rest of my rudder that I need. So nose ski, it's nose gear now, nose wheel. The nose wheel steers. Haven't had any issues, and I did hit some pretty good drifts on the ski. I haven't had any issues with it bending or flexing or doing anything it shouldn't have done, so I'm quite happy with the way it's set up currently. It'll be interesting to see how it does on wheels. I did actually balance the wheel. You can see the wheel weights on there, and just ignore the tape residue, the glue. I gotta scrape that off eventually. But I did balance the wheel, so that should hopefully help reduce the possibility of it shimmying. So we'll see how it goes. It's pretty tight. Those springs are pretty tight. I'm pretty happy with it. Other than that, I mean, I think that was the last thing that I had concerns with was the steering, and it seems to be good. Oh, the other thing was EGTs. The EGT discrepancy, gauge issue. So I swapped the leads, so it was the, can you see? Let's see. Yeah. So it was, this needle was reading 1050, and this needle was reading 900. And so when I swapped it, this same needle kept reading 1050 and the other one kept reading 900. So my cylinders are actually very closely synced because it was 1050 and 1050 on both of them. So it's just this side of the gauge is airing out a little bit, making a mistake. So I'll just get a new gauge and fix that. And these are rather inexpensive gauges, and they're known for their inaccuracies. So not a big deal. I check my plugs on a semi-regular basis, so my plugs look nice. They're nice, good, dark, chocolatey brown, so I'm getting lots of good fuel in there. In fact, it's about time to lean it out a little bit for summer. But yeah, I'm happy with the engine, I'm happy with the steering, I'm happy with how everything's worked out. That's pretty much the end of it then, I guess, Emmett?
I'm gonna say you were done.
I think I'm done. So
All except painting them back wheels.
I'm not painting the back wheels. So we're just hooking up brakes on Emmett's. We didn't have brakes for the longest time, and he decided to get some brakes. So we got some wicked go-kart brakes that he got all machined to fit in perfectly there. This thing's gonna stop on a dime, right?
I'm hoping.
Well, I'm hoping too.
I'm hoping. It looks like I'm
Pretty excited for them brakes. So we're just waiting for this white stuff to go away, and then we'll be flying again. You can see it's just a touch windy today. Actually, it's not as windy as it was when I took the Beaver up the other day. Hey, yeah, the windsock's busted up. We got a new one. We just have to put it up. We got to find a big ladder. We have a big ladder somewhere. Anyway, that's enough rambling for now. What do you think, Emmett?
I think it's time to go home.
All right, it's time to go home. So I guess with that being said, I hope you enjoyed watching this whole series of crashing and rebuilding the Beaver. Next videos will just be standard, regular old flying videos.
When it started, it was me and you with me walking across the river, and it ends with me and you.
Walking across the tarmac. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Lots of more flying videos to come. Lots of summer, warm, happy, good time flying videos to come. So we'll see how that goes. Catch you later.